What's up guys, Normano here, and today we're going to be playing Farming Simulator. And today, guess what we're doing guys? We're creating our landscaping shop. So, we have Freightliners, we have JCBs, we have our nice Dodge Ram, we have our BMW, we have our case loader, we have our other attachments for our thing, we have a trailer, we have this bad boy, which, inverted controls, but, you know. So it's gonna be a cool day because we have a lot of stuff to do. We even have 2 dump trucks, two Freightliners, which is very cool. And I don't know why they exactly did that. And I do apologize for that. But when I press left control and something just does that, because I have the money mod on, which isn't surprising. What does this mean? Baja. Oh, so that you can unload it 2 ways. Oh, okay, that's cool. So we're gonna bring that down. Back it up. Can't tell exactly where to go. Alright, that should be close enough. Attach that. Boom, we're attached. So I'm going to lower the ramps. Which, how do you do that? That's that. Wait, somebody can figure out what the junk? Maybe I have to do a manual? No, I did not. That's very weird. Somebody will let me know down in the comments, I hope. Yeah, because there's nothing that stops the engine. Press every key on here. Wait, what did I just do? Gosh, what did I just do? Oh, actually, press X, okay. Oh, no, we can't do that. No, bad. Okay, good. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna have to sell this. I do apologize since it didn't work. There we go. And we also sell this all-rounder. And this fender. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try and... See, that's why I put these in. I knew I should have put these in. Smarter, I guess, ain't it? Smarter than me! Finally, I did something right. This video is probably going to go up today, honestly. Yeah, this video's... I do a manual attachment, which makes it more realistic and cool, in my opinion. If you guys don't like that, well, I'm sorry. Alright, that's lowering. We're gonna bring all of this equipment over. So I really do like this case. It's a very nice machine. It is a mod. You know, they obviously can't have cases in the game and stuff. Basically, we're just gonna do a bunch of landscaping jobs around this county, and we do have the dirt and sand mod. So, and we're gonna try and get an asphalt mod, or I'm going to try and get an asphalt mod, so I can do more do some like you know what I mean, road building jobs. So, ooh, skills right here, skills right here. Detected, connected. That's. You can open the doors on that, which is pretty cool. No, wrong thing. This thing goes 4 miles an hour, and it's very annoying since it has inverted controls as well. Take a left. You see, I'm going left with the mouse, but you know it goes to the right. I know there's updated versions, but I removed them from my game because I thought I could get like a different one, and I did. But you know, of course, guess what? It didn't work out. Crap. I done goofed, guys. I done goofed. Alright, we're good. I think I just pressed like the alt button. So that brought me out. We're not driving this over. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you where my shop's gonna be here. I'll show you. Oh, come on. Come on, Bo. Oh, that wasn't smart. Let's start this. Oh, food chicken. Oh, great. Oh, lift me. I'm gonna. Yes. Nope. No. Oh, guys, this is gonna be such a long video if I want to get everything all set up. Oh, I haven't told you guys where the thing is yet. Yeah, so we're going to be, you guys can guess. Pretty sure we're gonna go pretty far out-ish. I was going to set up actually right in that field right there, I think. Field number 25, because that's like a nice field to do it in. But I don't know if I'm going to now. Come on, come on, come on. Guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this around all the way. You guys know I'm gonna deal with this. Alright, we're gonna dig. Come on, come on, come on. Other way. Other way. Come on, boy. Yes. That's great. I'm good. I'm good. We're just gonna keep it there. We're gonna. We'll go all the way. Oh, dude. Ooh. Let's go, boys. Here. I really do like this dump truck, Freightliner. Good progress for the beacon lights. It's kind of weird. What's that? But oh yeah, guys, if you haven't caught on, today we're gonna be setting up the shop. So that's cool. I think I already said that. Say it again. Say it again. And I think what we're gonna do is we're actually going to just spin. I need to zoom out. This one. Yeah, boy. Yeah. I think we're actually gonna just put it right here. Yeah, so it's gonna be right where my vehicle is. So of course I gotta move it. And our vehicles are kind of pulling on by thread. We're still going fast. Oh, never mind. No, we're not. Go 1 miles an hour. We're gonna make this, guys. We're gonna get to number field 27 in eventually. Okay, okay. Open that. Open sesame. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, that's weird. That's weird. That's weird. That's a collision issue there. Here, I'll try this. Save. I'll replace that. Come on, just let me. Yeah. That doesn't have a collision. Oh, that does, though. Of course that does. The place where I want a collision, you know, doesn't have a collision. The place where I don't want to have a collision. Ooh. I see everything. Oh, gosh. Okay. Whoa there, mate. I'm stuck. Wait. Oh, gosh. Oh, great. Oh, we're done. Our boss. Wait, I'm the boss. Oh, no. I'm not gonna be happy. The boss, which is me, he ain't happy. Watch it. Imagine just doing this in real life. Just, like, completely destroying your shop. In, like, not even a minute after buying it. And, like, absolutely destroying all of your equipment. Oh, gosh, I'd be so mad. At myself and the person that was right there next to me, because they did, you know, they used their magical powers to, you guys gotta give me, you feel me? If I could, there it is, okay. So we're gonna rotate it. Hopefully there ain't a collision. Yep, there's collision. Alright, the only collision issue is back here, so I'm honestly gonna put it right there is where there's no collision issue.
Unknown caller.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Hello? Hello? Okay then. That was just nice of them. They just kind of hung up on me, you know, after I took that time and courtesy of answering the phone. Oh gosh. Well, you know, it's usually people that don't call you and they're just trying to scam you. You're like, you want a free credit card? $1 million. $1 million? Yeah, if I'd like to have certified mail, and I'd like to, you know, report you to the people that kind of handle these things, like, you know, the cops. As I might do, like, not a reaction video, but like explaining what happens. There was a terrible crash with a motorcycle, and I'm a two-wheels guy. I really do love dirt bikes, and I'm gonna definitely try and get a bike when I'm older. Definitely, there's no doubt about it. I'm gonna try. You know, there's a classical road rage incident, but it wasn't classical because this dude basically tries to kill this other guy. And no, I'm not joking with you. See, oh, this really makes me angry. Look at that. What is this? Why is that not like... Yeah, let me... Not. This is a very nice shop, though. But it's like a shop. It's not really more of... You know, thing. You guys know what I mean. You guys see me. I'm trying to find something that's good. See, I really don't like these. These really make me angry right now. So I can't. I'm not gonna use that. So guys, hopefully this is the last laggy video on my channel. Because I think Geek Squad person has fixed it out. Fixed it out. That makes perfect sense. Nah, because like he told me that it's either if this doesn't work, then it's my computer just can't handle it. And you know, I'll accept that. I'll be, you know, I won't be happy, but it is what it is, because my computer is not intentional for gaming, and so it does kind of make sense. It's a laptop, it's not the best. Blah blah blah, you guys are gonna get mad at me. But in other news, I might try and get a new one. A PC. An actual PC. Sounds good. And we got snow today. Guess what I did? I rode in the snow. You know, guys, you know how I have a GoPro, right? And you know how GoPros kind of run out of space in the middle of when you're trying to do something? Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Me and my brother, you know, we did some stuff. We set some stuff up. I'm not gonna go into detail because the video's gonna be up soon, anyways, so you guys don't hear about it. But like, I did this, and I was, you know, I was recording. I was having a blast, and I recorded 4 minutes, and then guess what? Blah blah blah. Your thing is full, and it's not very happy. It doesn't really make you happy that your thing's GoPro's full when you're about to capture some great stuff. So I missed out on that. I do apologize, but it's not my fault. I didn't know. So you guys can't blame me. If you guys blame me, I'm gonna yell at you. I'm just kidding. You guys. I'll be nice. We're gonna back this ball up. Oh, see that, guys? That was great. Oh, I really hate how this goes like that. It's, Alright, I made an attaching on. There we go. You know, also, guys, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna place some, like, oak trees around our, like, facility. Makes it look good. We're gonna go to there. Go there and there. No, we're not gonna go. And now we're gonna skip a few. And we're gonna go right here. Because that's where the entrance is actually gonna be. For the back part, so like that's the garage with all the equipment, and this is gonna be like the backyard, you know, with all of the like dirt and sand and storages. So we're gonna go right there. Kind of would handle this, honestly. The next video is probably going to be more setting up and just finishing up, because this video is probably run way longer than usual. Or not way longer, maybe just like a longer though, definitely probably longer. That's fine. Because I don't really like to make long videos because people get bored eventually of the video getting too long, and you know, like people, they don't like to understand this, and I've probably done the same thing where you don't like to just waste time on watching 1 full hour video of Minecraft. I don't watch Minecraft, I'm just kidding, but you guys know what I mean by that, right? Like watching, or like, you know, watching a 1 hour thing. You guys know. I think you guys understand. Now we're gonna take our beautiful skid steer. Not beautiful. It ain't bad, honestly. I actually really do like the skid steer. Get out of my way! I'm gonna put trees going along there behind me. I tried to touch the screen to show you guys, but obviously that didn't work very well. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna push this back to the back corner. This is where all the skid steer is gonna be. The skid steer attachments are. Come on, push evenly. Argy. This is making me angry. Angry? This is making me angry. Yeah, that makes sense, yes. Alright, you know what? Back it up, back it up. Going in full force! Ah, I'm the Hulk. Yeah, boy. Yeah! Alright, you know, that's probably honestly close enough. I'm gonna hit the corner again. Yeah, that's perfect. And now we're gonna put all of our attachments in the corner of the shop. Oh, look at those trees. That's actually kind of like realistic. Like, it looks like vines are growing through the shop, so it's like been here a while, it looks like. So we're gonna drop that. The reason we have a log fork is just because, you know, we have to cut down trees on the job site. So we just take the skid steer along with its stump cutter, log fork, and thingamajigger that cuts trees down. And we blah blah blah. We do, you know, you guys see me, you guys feel me. I actually think I'm just going to keep on recording, but a different video. So like landscaping F2. Alright, this video, this is BMW I'm actually kidding about. I'm not putting BMW job site. My phone cracked. What the heck? Is that ginger ale? Yeah, it's ginger ale. Dang it. We're good. Turns on. I didn't spell a bunch. Oh, you want to hook on me? I'll go home and poop on your driveway. I mean, I'll follow you home and I'll poop on your driveway. Just kidding, I'm not gonna follow them home and poop on their driveway. Can you imagine just coming home to see like just like crap just sitting in your driveway? Imagine that. That'd actually be kind of funny. I would actually kind of laugh. Oh, this is the vault. This is the attachment. Oh wait, we didn't buy the tree. Yeah, because we're gonna use our chainsaw instead. We're not gonna use that. Yeah. And we're gonna keep this attachment on it because this is probably where we're gonna be mostly needing this attachment right here. Get out of my way! I might even try and find different loaders. I really do like this case loader. So that's gonna go there. We're gonna finish up on vehicles. I'm bringing them. Oh my gosh, that was bad. There we go. Here's a truck. I really do like this truck. Honestly, doing drifts with it. It has a gook snack and it has a thing as well. See that? Ooh, yeah. There's working lights and everything. Oh no, I can't have the BMW. I just leased it. I didn't buy it. No, I'm just kidding. I bought the BMW. The BMW is gonna go. Why don't I just put a BMW on somebody's doorstep with a note saying, "Hope you like the BMW. I'll see you when I come to your house and rob you." No, I'm just kidding. Can you imagine there's just a bunch of... Can you imagine? You couldn't imagine that. I could just see a BMW right or like not a BMW, but like more of like a Lamborghini, just sitting at my front doorstep. Just like it's in the house. So like, I saw this meme once. It was amazing because it was like my ex-wife in a divorce. She got the house and the truck in the divorce, and I delivered it to her this morning, and there was just a picture of a house, and then there's just a truck straight into the house. It's actually kind of funny. Pretty mean, but alright guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like it. If you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and take it easy. Peace.